In this problem, we're going to start by looking at an xy coordinate plane. And before we get into any of the algebra, I want to remind you what an x-intercept is. Okay, an x-intercept is simply a place where our function, and I don't know what the shape of the function is, let's just make it like that. It's probably wrong, okay, but it's not important. The important part is an x-intercept is where the function hits the x-axis. Now, what do you notice about that part? It has some x value, that's true, we'd like to find that. But the easy thing we can say is that wherever the x value is, we know y equals 0. That's for sure. So what it means is all you have to do here to figure out the value of x is you plug in y equals 0 into your equation. Now to actually do that, it's not so bad. We just take that equation and say, okay, negative 3 times y equals 0 minus 8x equals negative 1. Well, let's keep working on this. Negative 3 times 0, that's just 0. So we can cross that out and ignore it. So we have negative 8x equals negative 1. And how do we get x by itself? Well, you just have to clear away whatever's making it not by itself. So in this case, that's going to be the negative 8. We're going to say divided by negative 8 because that's a multiplication. And we have to do it on both sides if we're going to keep this equal. So what that does is it clears the negative 8 off of this side. And you get x equals negative 1 divided by negative 8. Well, that's just 1/8. I'm going to cancel out those negatives. Now you can't write that as your answer. Right? That's going to be wrong because it wants this as a coordinate point. So we just have to put it in coordinate form where the x value comes first, your 1/8. And what's y? Well, we knew that at the start. Y equals 0. So that's how you find an x-intercept.